Do you sit at your desk all day? Are you suffering from back and neck pain? If the answer is yes, you already know about ergonomic furniture and how it can help you. There are many standing desks in the market, but how do you know which desk is right for you? You might already be owning a standing desk. Are you still suffering due to stiffness and pain? Introducing NextErgo. Next generation standing desks. Our NextErgo desk uses AI technology. Does your standing desk really know when you're present at the desk? Our NextErgo desk uses thermopile sensors for presence detection. These are proven to be more accurate than motion sensors, so your desk knows when you're actually at your desk or if you've been away.
Welcome back, Emily. I know you were sitting before the break. Would you like to stand now?
Take a walk.
Okay, Emily. Would you like to take a walk?
Or even simple exercises if you've been sitting for long. Next generation standing desks that correct your ergonomic posture. Sets up personal goals based on your height and weight. Comes with an easy-to-use touchscreen. Plus Google Assistant, so you can control it using voice commands.
Okay, Google, I would like to stand now.
Our NextErgo desk suggests activities and breaks, not just based on your work schedule, but are personalized based on your height, weight, and BMI. Does your standing desk show you any reports? Our desk generates detailed reports to help you keep track of your activity and motivate you towards a healthier lifestyle. We designed our NextErgo desk, keeping the nature of human beings in mind. We understand that leading a busy life might forget to keep track of activities while working. Often, health and fitness take a backseat to career. Allow us to help you create a healthy balance with our NextErgo AI desks. Please support our crowdfunding campaign. Thank you.